Hello, ladies and gentlemen. All right, last time I asked you guys to make this big rectangle with all these beautiful colored squares and rectangles on it. This was an emphasis on shapes, so our art element was shapes. Hold on to this, we are going to need it. I also told you last time that I want you guys to have a nice big piece of paper. This is a regular paper, this is my big paper. We are going to set both of those things aside for now, and I want you guys to have a regular piece of paper. We are going to first learn how to draw flowers, and then we're going to draw a bunch of flowers into our vase. So I want you guys drawing with a pencil, of course, and I'm going to draw with a marker so that you guys can see. The first flower we're going to put it in this section here. So as we go along, we're going to fill up our paper going this way. Some flowers can be tall, some flowers can be short. Most of you guys already know how to draw the very first flower I'm going to show you guys. I always like to start off with a cartoon flower. So we're going to start off with the very center of the flower. It's just a circle. And then we're going to do petals around it. Your petals simply come up, around, and down, up, around, and down, and you just fill up the whole flower with however many petals you need to. And then this is a part that becomes a little bit more difficult. Don't just draw one line for the stem, you need to draw 2 lines for the stem. So my stem is going to come down. I'm not done. I need to draw a line number 2. Now, I left a gap here because I'm using a marker. You guys can just draw the line straight down. I want to add a little leaf. Line out, line curve, draw a line down the center, and a few lines coming up and out. And that is my little cartoon flower. We are not going to color this one today. Don't worry about it. If you want to color it later, you can. Let's keep going. So the next flower I want to show you guys is a tulip. Tulips are very easy to draw. We're going to start off with a curve. And we're going to stop here so it's like the letter J. Then I'm going to come down. And then I want to add a triangle over here and a triangle in the center. If this is too difficult, go ahead and just draw the flower the way you want to. Now remember, not just one line, but 2 lines. And our tulip has a long, skinny leaf. That is what a tulip leaf looks like. All right, so one of my favorite flowers to draw is going to be a sunflower. Their sunflower needs a big center and triangle pointy leaves. The leaves should be kind of skinny. Oh, I said leaves and I meant to say petals. They should be pointy and there should be lots and lots of them. And then if you want to, you can even come behind and we can add even more petals behind, but you don't have to. Remember, not just one line, but 2 lines. And I'm not going to give this a leaf, and I'm going to give it a cute little swirl for the center. There we go. There's my cute little sunflower. And I want to show you guys how to draw poppies. All right, so we're going to start right here with like a wiggly shape. It kind of looks like a rock or a popcorn. And each of the petals can be different. So up, down, and around. Come down here, make it a little bit smaller. Let's add another petal, but don't start it down here. Start it up here so it looks like it's like behind. And then one more over here. And the last one over here. Now I want to give it little dots all the way around. It's a little bit easier with a marker. Just color it in with a pencil. Give it a little stem. And there it is. This flower can be colored any way you want to. This one, tulips come in all colors. It comes in blue, red, yellow, white, purple, all of those. Your sunflower, you're going to want to color this center brown and the leaves yellow because sunflowers are always yellow. And poppies come in red, so you want to color these outside parts red. Now that we have some of the basic flowers, let's mix them up, draw lots of them. We want to bring out this paper. So step number 1 is actually going to be gluing the vase onto the paper. So grabbing my glue. I want glue everywhere, all over this paper. Stick it down. Now, I'm spreading my hands and I'm pushing with my hands, and I need to count in my head. Okay, now we got all the rest of this paper up here, and I did not glue this all the way down. Right here, we're going to add a table, but we're going to do that next time. This time, we're going to focus on the flowers, and I want to start off with a tulip flower. Again, I want you guys using pencil, and I'm going to use this marker so that you guys can see it better. All right, so my tulip is going to go right over here. One, 2 lines. All right, I like my flowers. I got big flowers, I got little flowers. If you want to draw flowers other than the flowers that I drew, that is fine with me as well. Just adding cute little details to these little cartoon flowers. And that is it for today. Next time, we're going to get watercolor paint and we're going to paint our flowers. So we're taking this one step at a time. Today, do your practice, then do it on your good paper. All right, my friends, happy creating.